Hello, this is Princeton Vice here. I'm not in makeup or anything, just a little informal video. I've just received a package from a Kickstarter, so I thought I'd just share it with everybody. Here we go. This is from Windy Woods, and they just did a Kickstarter for Cryptid. Well, you'll see. And the first one here is, yep, this is one for me. This is a little Mothman plushie. It's in a little bag. Let's see if I can open them up here. Be free! Be free! Right there. Now he's out. All right, we got the little leafy ears here and majestic wings on his back. That's adorable. And over here is one. This one's not mine, this is my wife's. It's a Mr. Hat, or Hat Man. I can't remember off my head which one it is. Oh, Mr. Hat, Mr. Hat. And that's a fascinating story about sleep paralysis, so look that up online. That's a fun little cryptid. And it also comes with, because I was a higher pledge, I got a tote bag. There we go, a pretty tote bag, and I didn't even have to pledge to NPR. A Windy Woods tote bag, and a Loch Ness sticker, a Loch Ness tea, Loch Ness. Anyway, there's a pun involved. But I also got some enamel pins, and they include a Mr. Hat pin, sleep tight, a Mothman pin. This one looks very mischievous, and a Bigfoot. Believe in yourself. Campfire creature, so that's the type. So go ahead and check those out yourself online. So I think it's just Windy Woods. I found them on Facebook, and I'll try to provide a link below. And again, this is Prince of Ice, and I hope you enjoyed these cute little plushies as much as cute little monsters as much as me.
If your monster's sad and bitter, or he's feeling like a quitter, see the monster sitter, Mr. Princeton Vice.